Hey guys, so in this video we are doing an older set of chairs. We got 12 chairs. They were torn apart. We did it in heavy orange for the backing and the seat, and then like a raw color for the arms, which is like a cream color. They had it in a matte clear finished. It looks pretty good. It looks like that Art Deco coloration or whatever. Everything's going good with us. We've been busy sandblasting, powder coating, finding part-time workers to help. Besides that, everything's going good. We do have a log cabin that we're going to be doing here shortly. We did start another channel, Sandblasting.Inc or Sandblasting Inc. Anything mobile blasting, we will put over there, instantly playing. So if there's a mobile blasting video that we put on here that has a premiere date set later on, you can go over to that channel and watch it. We're not doing premieres over there. We're just putting it on, and we're only putting mobile blasting. If you want to find that channel, just go down in the description. It'll be down in there. So besides that, everything's going good. Hope you enjoy the video. Oh yeah, I apologize for these few videos. I think the springs and maybe golf marker video, I had everything set up and I thought I pressed record, but I didn't. So we had to use footage off from our security cameras. So I apologize, it just sucks, but sometimes that's what you get. So, okay guys, hope you enjoy the video. If you have any questions, concerns, reach out to us on Facebook. If you live up here in New England, need anything powder coated, mobile blasted, sandblasted or anything, reach out to us. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. I do apologize. When I was blasting, apparently I did not hit record on my phone. So the blasting footage that you saw was just from our security camera. So I do apologize that it was so bad, but 12 seats, and here's all the legs. So the legs are gonna be in white. The seats are gonna be in orange. And then they're gonna be, I believe, a matte clear. The orange is heavy orange. So, okay, we will see where this goes. So for this, we're using the KFX one just because this lip, like would be a Faraday for that lip and stuff, and the KFX one is so much better with the Reaper machine. So I already set it up, I already did 3 of them. I'll do this one, and then I'll just record high speed the rest of them that we're doing. So major difference, as you can see from the other one, not having to go up and down, not having to bob it, not having to push left and right. I'd rather have it a little thick on the seat part of it because these were bad. They're pitted and everything, so a little bit thicker I can get it. Maybe I can get the powder to fill in a little bit. Either way, they're not going to be able to get these smooth. There's just no way. I mean, I'll do my best, but they're pitted. They're bad. Whatever I can do will be a miracle with it. So let's do a couple more. color is pretty cool. Of course, we're gonna go matte over it now. But just its natural color with high gloss is a pretty cool color. Let me put this one over in the white so we can see it. I like that color, but they want it matte, so it's gonna turn everything matte. I do like the regular sheen of it. Okay guys, so now it's time for matte clear. So we're gonna go through the same steps. Remember, with your KB, in order to get your, say you're not getting fish eyes and stuff, what we do is we work our KB from 0 up. One part you may be on 72 KB to get it to stick, the other part you may be on 10. You just don't know. Powder consistency and all that stuff. Also what we do is clear as we stand back, we give it more powder, don't get as close to get the charge out of the positive charge area. So we'll start. Let's see, make sure we got some. Turn our KB down to 34. Turn our powder up to 40. Yeah, I don't know what you can see, but to me that's sticking good. So let me just make sure it's gonna stick on these areas. So now we know what our setup's gonna be. Okay, let's do a time lapse and then we'll get the rest of them done. So the legs of these are gonna be like a cream white. There's 2 of them that are in there, and this is the pack of them. So I think I only can do 5 at a time, and there's 24 total. So yeah, I got a lot to do left. So now these are hit with matte clear. I have some in the oven right now, waiting to be done. But they have their matte finish on them. We'll see how they turn out.